This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Relay app for drivers. This powerful tool is designed to simplify your daily operations, making load management more efficient and straightforward. We'll go over everything from getting started to navigating your routes and handling real-time updates. The Amazon Relay app helps you stay connected and informed, ensuring a smoother experience on the road. It's your essential companion for managing assigned loads and communicating effectively with dispatch, all from your mobile device. To begin, simply download the Amazon Relay app from your device's app store and log in with your provided credentials. Once inside, you'll see a clear overview of your assigned loads, complete with all necessary pickup and delivery information. It's crucial to confirm load acceptance promptly through the app. Should any unexpected issues arise, you can easily report them directly, ensuring that everyone involved is kept in the loop. This initial setup is quick, getting you ready to hit the road with confidence. The Amazon Relay app features integrated navigation to guide you efficiently to your pickup and delivery points, helping you avoid delays. You'll also receive real-time notifications for any schedule adjustments or critical updates, keeping you fully informed throughout your journey. Remember to update your load status, such as marking yourself as arrived or departed, directly within the app. This ensures dispatch has the most current information, contributing to seamless operations and better coordination for everyone involved in the logistics chain. Should you encounter any questions or technical difficulties, the Amazon Relay app includes a comprehensive help section where you can find answers to common queries. For more specific or complex issues, direct contact information for Amazon Relay support is readily available within the app. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version. This guarantees you have access to the newest features and the best possible performance. Staying updated helps prevent potential glitches and keeps your operations running smoothly every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.